For more content like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our presentation. Today our presentation topic is Strategic Insights into India's SIP Landscape. Trends and Opportunities, presented by Options and Ideas. Introduction of Systematic Investment Plan, SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, SIP, is an investment route offered by mutual funds wherein one can invest a fixed amount in a mutual fund scheme at regular intervals, say once a month or once a quarter, instead of making a lump sum investment. The installment amount could be as little as 500 Indian rupees a month and is similar to a recurring deposit. It's convenient as you can give your bank standing instructions to debit the amount every month. Types of SIPs: Equity SIPs, invest in equity mutual funds. Debt SIPs, invest in debt mutual funds. Hybrid SIPs, invest in a mix of equity and debt funds. Key benefits: 1. Disciplined savings. 2. Rupee cost averaging. 3. Power of compounding. 4. Affordable. 5. Flexibility. 6. Diversification. 7. Financial goal alignment. 8. Tax benefits. 9. Convenient tracking and management. What is an SIP calculator? The SIP calculator or Systematic Investment Plan calculator is an online financial tool that can help you calculate the returns you may earn on your SIP investments in mutual funds. It lets the user know how much they need to invest each month in order to earn a targeted corpus. How do SIP calculators work? The mutual fund SIP calculator works on a pre-programmed algorithm. When you enter some basic details into the calculator gives you the return estimates of the investment plan. You will have to enter some details in this investment calculator, such as the SIP amount, frequency of your SIP deposits, monthly or quarterly, expected rate of return per annum, duration of your investment in years. SIP calculator formula. The formula used by the SIP calculator is FV equals P times 1 plus I, N1. I times 1 plus I, FV equals future value, P equals SIP amount. I equals expected rate of return per frequency period. N equals number of installments. Example: you can consider the example mentioned below to understand how the calculator works. Our investment, monthly, 5,000 rupees. Expected rate of return per annum, 12%. Your investment tenure, 7 years. Your investment would be 4.2 lakh rupees. The future value of your investment would be 6.53 lakh rupees. There are certain factors you will have to consider while using the SIP calculator, and they are: the SIP calculator presumes a consistent rate of return, which is not the real case scenario of the market. Since it is just an illustration, the returns estimated by the calculator, the actual return could be vastly different from the actual return. Top SIP mutual funds to invest in 2024. Latest best performing SIP mutual funds in 2024. Diagram analysis of the latest best performing SIP mutual funds in 2024. 10 highest yielding mutual funds for SIPs over a 3-year period in India. Line chart analysis, pie chart analysis between company and returns, bar chart analysis between companies' funds and returns by following above information. 10 highest yielding mutual funds for SIPs over a 5-year period in India. Line chart analysis, pie chart analysis between company and returns, bar chart analysis between companies' funds and returns by following above information. 10 highest yielding mutual funds for SIPs over a 10-year period in India. Line chart analysis, pie chart analysis between company and returns, bar chart analysis between companies' funds and returns by following above information. Challenges in the SIP market. Despite its growth, the SIP market faces challenges, including market volatility and investor awareness. Addressing these challenges through effective communication and education can enhance investor confidence and participation. Risk factors: market volatility, economic downturns, data, volatility index, VIX, impact on SIP returns during market downturns. Future outlook. The future of India's SIP landscape looks promising, with expected increased adoption and innovation. Emerging trends such as ESG investing and robo-advisory services are likely to shape the market, attracting more investors. Conclusion. In conclusion, India's SEEP landscape is characterized by growth, innovation, and opportunity. By understanding the trends and challenges, investors can make informed decisions and harness the potential of SIPs for their financial journeys. References: 5paisa, IND Money, ICICI Bank. Thanks for the watching video. If you want more information related to investment plans, please contact us in specific details through, and like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon to get more interesting videos.